This week we started talking about our 3 count hits, and the 3 count hit that we did this time was she's passing through like we're doing a normal whip. So I walk her through 1, 2, 3, and we're connecting here. She wants to be rounded here to make sure she's holding her tricep and her arm up while we're doing this. The big point for this as well, while I'm going through it, as a lead, I'm holding the 2, I'm not stepping on 2. I'm going 1, hold 2, step 3. She's stepping 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Then after that I hold 4, and I bring her out 5 and 6. So 5 and 6, 7 and 8, or 7, 8 as a follow. So you're going through here, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Which is what your footwork is. Then we added in the duck after this, which makes it a little bit more complicated. I walk her through 1, 2, 3, 4. I bring her out 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2. And I can get through and finish out. Depending on where my follow is, I can adjust that timing if she can get through faster or not. Then we went into talking about a dip. This dip happens on 5, or you could also, depends on where you put it in your West Coast swing. So I walk her through like I'm doing a normal left side pass, but I'm gonna bring this hand behind me. We walk through 1, 2, she turns 3 and 4. As I place her here 4, I'm going to bring this hand to my side, step behind her on 5, bring her down through that 5. So you can hit through all the way through. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I can come out and do whatever else out. We can talk about different ways out of it from there. Invert. Okay. So then again, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Split weight and squatting down the whole way through. Cool. How's our class for intermediate?